Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. I am one of the member of Nursery to Varsity and I will explain you tech in minutes. So let's dig in. You have likely seen term API cover-ups operating systems, web browsers, app update often announces the new API for developers. But what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of an API like a menu in a restaurant. The menu provides a list of dishes to you. You can order along with a description of each dish when you specify what menu items you want. The restaurant kitchen does the work and provide you with some finished dishes. You don't know exactly how the restaurant prepared the food and you don't really need to. Similarly, API are the services that allow a software program to communicate with each other and exchange required information. Some popular API examples are Google Maps API, YouTube API, Bing Speech API. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.